Hi guys, this is the Princess Prado channel. This video is about the part-time transfer VF2A oil change. Park the vehicle on a level surface. Use a 24mm socket wrench to remove the transfer filler plug and gasket. Following the normal maintenance schedule for the transfer oil, inspect and correct oil level or replace oil as necessary every 48 months or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Following the additional maintenance schedule for special operating conditions, when towing a trailer, using a camper, or car top carrier, it is necessary to change the oil every 48 months or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. In the case of continuous high-speed driving, 80% or more of maximum vehicle speed, for over 2 hours, change oil every 48 months or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. 145 kilometers per hour is the maximum speed of the Prado 120 with the 5L-E engine. 80% means 116 kilometers per hour. After water crossing, check that no water has mixed with the oil in the transfer. If water is mixed with the oil will be cloudy. In this event, change the oil. Use a 24mm socket wrench to remove the transfer drain plug and gasket. According to the owner's manual, the part-time transfer capacity is 1 liter of API GL4 or GL5 SAE 75W90 gear oil. Use a tray to collect the used oil. After several minutes, the drain plug does not have a magnet. We need 2 new gaskets with part number 9043018008. Old versus new drain gasket. Install the drain plug with the new gasket. The required torque is 37 Newton meters. I will use Toyota 75W90 GL5 differential gear oil. The color of the new and used oil. I will fill the transfer with a homemade pump. When supplying oil, pour it slowly. Repeat supplying oil several times at several minutes interval. After leaving it alone for 5 minutes, check the oil level again. Check that the oil level is within 5 mm of the lowest point of the transfer filler plug opening. When changing the oil, recheck the oil level after driving. Excessively large or small quantity of oil may cause some trouble. 1 liter of oil entered the transfer. Install the filler plug with the new gasket. The required torque is 37 Newton meters. Thanks for watching. Bye.